Biggest spike in number of deaths in India. In 5 days, 445 people died of COVID-19 in the last 24 hours. 4,821 fresh COVID-19 cases registered in 1 day. Confirmed cases in India now stand at 4,25,282. Active cases are at 1,74,387, while 2,37,195 have recovered and have been discharged. Karnataka reported 453 cases, taking the total tally to 9,150 on Sunday. The state has 3,391 active cases. Total COVID-19 related deaths have increased to 137, with 5 new deaths being reported from Bengaluru. Army Chief General M.M. Narwane discussing the security situation with the top army commanders in Delhi today. All commanders are in the national capital for the second phase of the Commanders Conference. Army Commanders Conference 20 is being conducted on 22nd and 23rd of June to review the operational situation on both the northern and western fronts. Arvind Kejriwal also reacts on Indo-China standoff, says the country is fighting 2 wars against China, one at the border and another against the virus which emerged from China. He said the issue should not be politicized and people should remain united. Supreme Court has allowed Rath Yatra to be conducted in Puri, Odisha with certain restrictions. Supreme Court said Puri Rath Yatra will be held with coordination of the temple committee, state and central government without compromising on the health issue. The top court also said that the state can even stop the yatra or festivities if they feel it is going out of hand. It has been decided that clusters, areas having 3 to 4 COVID-19 cases will be totally sealed and maximum testing will be done in those areas. Only critical cases will be shifted to COVID hospitals is what they have said, and they have also said that the police personnel will be tested on priority. Bengaluru cops, on the other hand, face the brunt of the COVID-19. 69 police personnel have tested positive for COVID-19. 7 out of them have recovered, while 59 of them are undergoing treatment. 3 police personnel have succumbed to COVID-19 until now. Well, hours after Congress leader Rahul Gandhi targeted centre by quoting ex-Prime Minister Manmohan Singh's statement on India-China standoff, he has hit out again. Rahul tweeted again by questioning China over them praising Modi on his statement on the standoff. The leader has been hitting out at the government over the standoff. Goa registers its first COVID-19 death. 85-year-old woman passes away due to COVID-19 in Goa. Goa Health Minister assures citizens, says administration is taking all the steps to keep people safe. And former Indian opener Gautam Gambhir has said that batting legend Rahul Dravid made a bigger impact on Indian cricket than anyone else. Gambhir reckons that Dravid is the most underrated player and leader in Indian cricket fraternity.